Let's follow the step to know how to clean the fish. This is a very live fish we have caught from the pond nearby, and you can see the lines over there, so that shows it's a fresh fish. And all the skins, everything is very hard, and all these layers you can see, it looks very fresh. We have to double check whether all the scales he has removed or not, and this black color inside the part we can clean with the help of a knife, or either we can wash it with the water. It will go. Some people they remove it, some people they don't remove it, and they will just fry and they eat the fish. So I just prefer to remove the inside part of this, so it will look fresh and clean. So if it is not going with the finger or the knife, then finally you can put it in the water and you see within a fraction second it will go. This piece I will show how to clean in the water. Like this, one by one we have to clean it. This piece you can see it's very neat. I have used the knife, and finally the head piece we will clean it properly. After cleaning we will do the washing part. We will remove the eye and the teeth of the fish. Now our cleaning is done. We will do the washing. See this? I told you it will be very easy to clean the inside part in the water. Just it's fraction of second you can see all these portions it is cleaning. Better we should clean and eat the fish. It will not take more time. It is easy task. So for all the fish you can do the same process and you can eat the clean and neat fish. Fish is very good for health. You can consume it once or twice a week. If you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you in the next video.